Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about how extended reality is making the physical become clickable. By extended reality, I mean augmented reality, mixed reality, virtual reality, and every other type of reality on that immersive spectrum. And the context of this is expanding. It started off with the context of the object. The thing itself was the most important thing. So you probably remember when we had markers, we would print them out, put them on a flat surface, point your phone, and you would see an object appear on this marker. Advances in technology mean that marker is no longer required, so you can just put them onto any flat surface. So you could, for example, see what the new MacBook is going to look like on your desk, or you can try and see an object the size of the new PS5 and measure whether it's going to fit in your media unit. It's not going to fit in my media unit. And then it's started moving beyond them again, probably started with Snapchat as one of the major instigators. And with Snapchat, you could put your face into the context. So you could make yourself part of a branded activation. You could try on cosmetics. You could try on digital versions of physical goods like spectacles. And that has moved on again with the most recent advances of this year. Now the rest of our bodies become the context. So you can try Gucci shoes even if you don't have access to a physical pair. You can enhance your dance moves to make yourself the coolest guy in town. You can try on outfits of materials that have never and could never exist in the real world. And that context is moving yet again to becoming spatial. It's now about the places we go, such as with Snapchat's local lenses, which allow people to collaborate on persistent augmented reality experiences in the same place, Carnaby Street in this example. Or we can use them as virtual tour guides, with the digital objects being fixed to certain locations to give you more information and more context about where you are. And the next iteration of that, again, is going to be the rest of the world. What you're seeing here is a virtual scale model of Shanghai, perfectly detailed. It's a mirror of the physical world, and it's made in the game engine Unity. Once you start getting that one-to-one mapping of the two things together, you can start adding digital information to it. So you can add information, and you can make the physical world around you become interactive. It's putting clicks onto bricks. And this is all happening at the time that game engines are emerging. So game engines promise, things like Unreal and Unity promise that you can start using the same 3D assets everywhere, from extended reality to gaming spaces, to 2D animation, to virtual production like Disney's The Mandalorian. You can call this the mirror world, you can call this the metaverse, you can call it whatever you want. But my argument is that this is the next iteration of the internet, and you can start using pieces of it right now.